Closing arguments are wrapping up in the Volusia County case of a suspected serial killer, Robert Hayes. The 39-year-old is accused of shooting and killing 3 women in Daytona Beach more than a decade ago. And News 6's Crystal Moyer listened in to closing statements and has more. Crystal.
Bridget, the trial lasted a little more than a week. Today, the case is set to go to the jury for deliberations. Closing arguments were made in court, both the prosecution and defense working to sway the jurors. Robert Hayes is accused of killing 3 women, Laketta Gunther, Jolie Green, and Iwana Patton in Daytona Beach in 2005 and 2006. Investigators found all 3 with a gunshot wound to their heads. Throughout the trial, jurors heard from over 30 witnesses, DNA experts, investigators, and law enforcement officers. Detectives testifying that the same caliber bullets were used in all 3 murders. Bullets, detectives say, are connected to a gun Hayes purchased prior to the murders. DNA experts also testified swabs from the 3 victims showed matching DNA evidence, which was run through genealogy sites that linked to Hayes. The prosecution saying the 3 cases are all too similar.
They're all female victims. They all are easy targets. They're all engaging in prostitution in some level. They're all found naked at the crime scene, all face down at the crime scene.
The state has not presented any evidence that the defendant was the person who was shot Ms. Gunther, based only on the fact that he had purchased a Smith & Wesson .40 caliber handgun from a box of Smith & Wesson .40 caliber ammunition that can be fired in any other .40 caliber pistol or handgun.
In closing statements, the defense reiterating the DNA evidence proves Hayes may have had a sexual encounter with the victims before they were killed, but does not prove Hayes shot them. We'll continue to follow this trial and bring you the decision from jurors as soon as it comes in here on News 6 and clickorlando.com.